my channel. Today is going to be a vlog of me and my friend Stacy. We are going on a little nature trail hike kind of thing, and it's gonna be in the forest, so like that's gonna be cool to film. So yeah, I just thought I would take my camera along with me and just film where we go and all this stuff that we're gonna see. Also afterwards we're gonna go to the grocery store and get a lot of just like breakfast foods and bring it home and make it all, so it'll be really yummy and we can like feast after we like work out. Yeah, so she's upstairs. I'm in her kitchen. Sorry, this lighting is like really awkward. Yeah, I'll make sure to update you guys. I'll be better than my last vlog that I did. I was really bad at updating you guys and kind of making the video flow better. I hope you guys enjoy it. This is my friend Stacy.
What's up?
She's making me more coffee. Not like I need more because I already had a cup, like a huge cup this morning. But I mean, you never can have too much coffee. Actually you can, because I get insane when I have too much coffee.
Really? It doesn't even affect me. It's early in the morning.
I know, she's like dead. Like look. Yay! Let's go! I'm so cringy.
Sing out.
Oh my god. Got a new girlfriend. Guys, I told you I can't have more than one cup of coffee. I go crazy. Okay. She's so crazy. She's so crazy. We get it. You dyed your hair purple. Much nature, and then we have a wild animal here. This is a crazy species. We call the dodo bird. Caw, caw, caw. Okay. Woo! Oh, you're filming? Yeah. Nature.
Much nature.
Much nature. Oh, there's like a lot of people walking towards us. Oh my god! I don't know if you can see that, but oh my god, can you see? Yeah. She just took that selfie. Isn't she so cute? Oh my god, guys, this is so pretty.
A wild pack of urban moms.
Hi.
Suburban moms approaching.
I have a bunch of suburban moms approaching us. They're on a little daily Saturday walk. Look how pretty. Look how pretty.
Who, me?
Yes, you.
Except for July. I don't know what my July is.
Hi.
Hello.
Guys, I don't think you understand, like, I did not know this, like, existed. Oh my gosh. Outfit change. Oh my god. Oh. Oh.
Want your blessing and oh, by the way, open the door by the way.
So we just finished making all this glorious food. We have some fruit, sausage, avocado, bacon and some croissants with cheese in it. I am so excited. Oh my gosh. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you, Stacy, for joining me in this adventure.
Of course.
So yeah, that is the end of this video. Please like this video if you liked it and subscribe to my channel to be a part of this YouTube fam of mine. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you next video. Bye.
She played the fiddle in an Irish band, but she fell in love with an Englishman. Kissed her on the neck and then I took her by the hands and baby